However, stuck up here, not just in this side after that long in the first hill. And as you see, it's just the mud. It's flat area, and then there's just a ton of mud. And then we've been stuck here. And as I noticed, this side, that wheel and this wheel are not spinning, but only at the other side that both are spinning when steerings are driving. So the other side is the only one that forwards, and this side was not able. We just came today from Nestor to fit the bushing that he was requested, that makes that noise, and not able to come up in the mountain in the Helta for the few days that we just leave this blue truck at the church. So again, we're gonna go back to Nestor tomorrow and find out what's the reason. And I went yesterday, and I went this morning to the grader, the municipal office, and it just happened that the woman said that they're fully booked for this month, next month, and the next month for the grader, because they prioritize the public roads in the government and the barangays in Taliban. So they advise us to go to the one of the private for the grader in somewhere in Tanghaligi, and it's cost 3,500 per hour. So tomorrow or the next day we're gonna inquire about that, and because this road needs quick response, because once you're in the truck, you're not just your back, your butt and your head is always like there's an earthquake. So again, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is just an adventure and parts of our adventure here in the mountain. So what they're doing now is they cut some leaves, and then you're gonna put it on the tile as a remedy. And then it will be okay. Then we're going back to Nestor because it seems that he didn't put properly the 4-wheel drive.